He's gonna head to Ferrix, isn't he? Silly man. Hey yo, what's up, Wagwan? This is Xavier, and welcome to the channel. We're watching Andor. It's episode 11 of season 1. I don't know if there's gonna be a season 2, but season 1, episode 11. Title: This is Daughter of Ferrix. It says, a fugitive once more, Cassian must make his next move before it is too late. Okay, so Cassian escaped. Mothma is in discussions with Davo about getting some funds to cover her tracks. Luthen is aware now of what the Empire is doing in regards to Anto's plan, and also that they're on his trail. And yeah, so that's basically what happened. I don't know what's gonna happen in this episode. Keeping it short, and we're moving ahead. So let's get into it.
I'm gonna take her out in a minute before I say goodbye. I'll have them clear the room if you want to be alone.
I don't want to be alone. I want Mon Mothma.
Well, there's no more Marvel.
The daughters of Ferrix require your assistance in matters of grave importance.
We need to pull together, B. All of us.
Poor Marvel. This is why she couldn't leave. This is why she couldn't leave with Cassian.
So someone died?
What happened?
Someone you know?
Just started last week.
I've seen that guy's face before. Not I'm talking about last episode, I'm talking about before that. They're gonna try to steal the ship of these two guys.
An old one. Is that good? Do we have a choice?
No, you don't have a choice.
Someone else in that we get out here. No, I feel it.
They were well prepared.
We want a funeral.
Excuse me?
You're going to give them a permit. Keep it small. Limit the time, limit the numbers. We want to put them in a box, stand back and watch.
The dead are bricked. They mix your ashes with mortar and local stone dust, put your name on and fire it up. You become a block of Ferrix brick.
And then what?
They find you a wall.
Oh, interesting.
Alive or dead, the upper nose.
Yes, who's that? No, let's talk. Hang on.
Kill anyone they would. Kill the water, kill the squigglies. They're not a snot who they kill here.
No, they don't. The Empire doesn't care.
Fire may not be killing ye, may it today. Oh.
Well, at least that worked out for them.
Where is he?
She's been collecting jewelry.
I don't have time for this. We have rules for a reason you don't seem to understand.
Yeah, you're upsetting the balance.
I gave him Aldani. What have you done lately?
Kept him focused.
I don't have lately. I have always. I've a constant blur of plates spinning and knives on the floor and needy, panicked faces at the window, of which you are but one of many. What information? I'll make sure he knows where it came from.
Will you?
Cassian Andor. The mother died. I'm leaving in the morning. Cinta says it's very busy there.
They're focused on him for a reason. Who is he?
Big man's on site. I want full coverage, spotters front and back. I want to know immediately about any comings and goings. Visitors, deliveries, anything.
Ah, he's Imperial. He's spying.
He's not here, B. He's in the stone now. She's on her way.
I can wait to make sure.
No.
I can't leave you here alone. She wouldn't want that.
You gotta go, B. You gotta go.
Stay.
No.
I don't feel that way to you.
Poor Biggs. How is she coping? Not well.
Is this the man you introduced to Cassian Andor? Biggs.
Is she gonna lie and say yes?
Don't tell me you're taking proposals.
I'm in so much trouble, Val. I did what I could. I pulled everything I could access up the hill into the main account. There was one empty ledger at the end of the line that was off balance. But it was so obscure and I just didn't know what else to do. I was nervous. I went to Luthen. I told him that I needed help from the outside, that I need the risk.
Take home.
Yes.
Suddenly everything's frozen.
How much is missing?
400,000.
Does Luthen know?
No.
This can't be exposed.
I know that.
She's gonna tell her about Davo?
Solution.
Okay, yeah, she's gonna tell her.
Call for you.
Who's calling for him? Miro?
Sir! Is that you, sir?
Yes.
Oh, it's a sergeant.
Yes! Yes, that's it! He might show up at the funeral.
When?
If he's not in here, sir, has to back it. I wouldn't put it past him. Not what we've been through.
We need to speak further.
I knew you'd want to.
The mystery of your former triumphs has been vanquished. I can sleep peacefully now.
He's gonna head to Ferrix, isn't he? Silly man. It's still there.
Put it down or give it back.
Supike Tukido, Zoe Calio.
You're too late. It's going tomorrow.
We'll be ready. We have charge. All he has to do is tell us when he wants it and agree to my terms. Make it happen.
He's gonna
Think not.
have to explain to him why.
ISB knows Krieger's path. They'll be waiting for him.
Yeah. He told him, no.
And how do we know this?
I won't tell you that.
And Krieger, he doesn't know.
No, he doesn't.
It's far from ideal for either of us.
That goes without saying.
What if it was me instead of Krieger? What would you do?
Krieger doesn't know me. I'm not vulnerable if he's captured. We have special radios. He can't hurt me.
Like I can.
Yeah, like you can.
Satira, Noro Kriska.
What kind of game is this? There's no way out alive. Of that you must be sure.
I'm doing this so you'll listen. So listen.
Quite a risk.
If I were ISB, so why wouldn't I just send you out there with
Yeah, good point.
For the greater good.
call it what you will.
Let's call it war.
War is horrible. Of that, there is no lie. He's gonna steal our money to try and get to Ferrix, isn't he? Yeah.
This is an Imperial patrol. Stand by for transponder scan.
ID found.
Yes, this is Alderaan 129-12505.
Stand by, Hallcraft. Run it.
Is there something wrong, Patrol?
There's been partisan activity in the area. This is a piracy zone.
Oh, thank you for the warning. I'll be careful.
You'll be standing by, is what you'll be doing.
Sorry, Patrol. I'm a one-man show here. I have to manual these stabilizers.
ID confirmed, sir. Alderaan Trade Alliance.
Cancel the boarding?
No. We can use the practice.
Wow.
Countermeasures armed.
What is that?
Oh, nice. Oh.
Calibration complete.
That was nice. Nice. Well done.
Marva, I'm okay. Tell her I'm thinking about her. She'd be proud of me. And I'll get back as soon as I can. Can you remember that?
Cass, hang on.
No names. What?
Don't tell him. Oh, he's gonna tell him.
Cass, I'm sorry. Your mother's dead.
You got through? It's okay?
No, it's not okay.
Yeah. Everything okay?
How many do you think made it? How many of us made it out alive?
Not enough. It was just us. What if we're the only ones?
You can't think like that, man.
Somebody's got to tell people what's happening down there. We need to split up. Double our chances.
Alright, so that was episode 11 of Andor. This one was kinda... okay, it wasn't bad. I'm not saying it was good. It was different. Title of the episode was Daughter of Ferrix. This took us a few places. Let's start off with Mothma. She had this thing with Vel, where she's confided in Vel about the trouble she's in and how the solution she has, and also that her daughter is kind of focusing on the old ways and stuff. I don't know what the old ways are, but I know about the marriage thing, which is they get married young, and so she's contemplating whether she has to do this with this proposal with Darryl. And Vel showed up at with Claire at Luthen's shop and warned her about Cassian's mother dying. Well, she disregarded the whole protocols and everything there, so that might come back to haunt them. Hopefully not. The axe speaks about if that guy Anto was the buyer. Though she looked, I don't know. I'm thinking she might lie and say that it is the buyer. I don't know. We won't get that answer. Then we didn't get that answered, so I'm assuming we'll find out in the finale. Right, Marva dying. That was the crux of everything else in this episode. Well, except before I go to Marva, Cassian. You see him trying to escape the planet. He's trying to steal the ship of these two guys. They stop him. There's a reward, but they hate the Empire, so no reward. Damn the Empire. We're gonna help you guys escape. We do that. Cassian finds the money that he left. He picked a good hiding spot. No one knew it was there. You can tell that place doesn't get cleaned properly. Never mind that. The money was more important. As well as the gun and all this information. Right, and then everything else in the episode was about Marva's death. We saw a bee struggling to come to deal with it. Cinta was there watching everything, and there's an Imperial spy. And Imperials are allowing the funeral to go ahead so that they can set up a trap for Cassian. Luth and Warren saw about Anto's thing, and they made this decision for the greater good, Kriegers to die, so that the ISB source of information doesn't dry up. Damn, poor Krieger. But yeah, you can tell how everything's setting up that Cassian is gonna show up at the funeral. And something's gonna go down. It's the finale. They spent this episode setting up the funeral. Something's gonna go at the funeral. They're allowing it to go ahead for a reason. And that reason is because Cassian's gonna show up. Luthen doesn't know about the funeral. He knows that Clea has information about Cassian, but she's not sharing it because she wants Luthen safe. And I can't blame her. I understand why she did that. It's gonna happen. They didn't spend this episode setting up that for no payoff. It's gonna have a payoff in the next episode. A lot of stuff is gonna pay off in this next episode. Karn is gonna be there. The Imperials are gonna be there. Luthen might show up. Cassian might show up. A lot of people might show up. Cinta is still on Ferrix, so that's gonna play a part. Will might show up. I don't know. And then Mothma's gonna have to decide the thing with Davo to get the money. She might go through with that. So there's a whole lot up in the air right now. I don't know what's gonna be. Some people are gonna die. There's 1 or 2 people are gonna die. Karn, I'm sure is gonna die. That man is either gonna die or he's gonna get reinstated. One of the two. Those are the only 2 options for him. He stole money from his mother to go to Ferrix. He's gonna meet his fate there. He's gonna either die or get reinstated. Those are the only 2 options based on how they're setting this character. He's been obsessed. Cassian was a mistake for him and he needs to right it. Even had the sergeant looking over information for him. Yeah, Karn's a madman. I don't know, man. It's left me puzzled. not puzzled, I'm not confused. It's left me pondering. How are they gonna pay this off? I just know people are gonna die. Some things are gonna go right, but some things are gonna go badly. Cassian survives obviously because he's in Rogue One. Mira, I think she's gonna survive. Well, I don't think she's gonna be on Ferrix. She might show up. I doubt it. Karen is gonna show up. He's gonna die, or he's gonna be the Imperial, like I said. If Luke doesn't show up, he might die. Yeah, there's gonna be some deaths. At least one death in the finale. He's set up for that. But speaking of Luthen's ship, that was so cool. I want that ship. I like that. It's the Fondor. That's the name of the ship. It's a very cool ship. It's able to do the countermeasures, and it just mash up the tractor beam. And it cut the thing where it just cut the thing them into Megus, I like it. Meow. Love it. But yeah, this is very late at night, so my mind isn't. I'm just going on. So those are the thoughts I have. I'll just do a full review if anything. Oh wait, I get the prison thing now. The explanation. Is it this episode or last episode? Yeah, it was last episode where they say they're being transferred from another prison to this prison. Yeah. Okay. That don't fully explain it for me, but Marcel, I won't let it go. It's too much of a hassle. We're moving on with the story. My level of care is not that high. Maybe in the future I'll care more, but right now, no. Yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. See you for the finale. I'm excited for that. Can't wait. Let's go. Goodbye.